Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host Limpo Mukhali. Today I'm at the new Peter Mugaba Stadium for the Nedbank Cup final between TS Galaxy and Durban City. A game as the Jewish is concluded the scoreline of 2-1, seeing Durban City being crowned the Nedbank Cup winners. And now I'm joined by TS Galaxy Fanatics. Why man? Hey la malanga sahlangani kukuhle macha. Akusahlangani kukuhle macha.
Akubi.
Hey.
Malanga sayithola induku mngani wami mina angisathi ukuthi siyowina phi. Mase nje
ngiphi lenyanga lenikweleta yako madoda makuthi siyakweleta sike sintoni ithele nambe yobhadalwa madoda.
usho ukuthi inyanga angicabanga ukuthi inyanga.
Nguphi ke makumprofeti ke khulumani ke madoda.
Akunamprofeti nix.
Asinayo
equality nje kahlahle nga computer so far.
Sisa Limpopo bangasinceda lana man.
Hayi akufunakala umuthi nix asinawo nje ama player kahlahle ngakhona computer.
Kwenakalani manje?
Cause uma ungabuka nje i-first 11 yethu awukhona ukuthola ukuthi zibani udlala number 1 zibani bonke badlala nje Mbunjane right back Zindonga right back awukho indlela lesingayilinzela manje ukuthi sithole tape irasa ka striker manje angifuni ukutshela manga le nto kana la akunzima mfethu ene into lengayisho mfethu mina ngisakhala still ngisakhala ngokuhamba kwa coach at least ngabamnike le final wayicedela vele sadliwa wahamba. Cause manje makunjena mina ngisathi sewina iphi game siyakumarumo Gallants siyakuchipa siyakusundowns wonke lama teams lawa desperate for points so mina ngisathi nje kahle
Mphathi wami uma bengingakubuta lana you have coach Bernard Parker former player of high profile player of his caliber. We've seen lesikhathi TS Galaxy, he was brought in to help with scoring of goals as a coach. Logo sikubonile licembu lwakorile amagoli so strikers improving at the striker lapho kuBozamovic we can name them bonke but the striker letiningi lebo Traore that were there they produced magoli under yena but do you believe iprofile yakhe bese ready ukuthi ingathi iba interim head coach ukuthi awuvasiye licembu or
konakala uyabona iprofile yakhe ngaba yihle kakhulu esikhathini sakhe udlalile Bernard Parker but ngalama player la nawo lawa ayangiboni mngani angibona ngifuna ucamba manga nje as long so lokhu sifoja ama players foja ama players now next time maybe singakuthola sodlala who knows phela into yakhona badlala nemike manje serious ngifuna ucamba manga kuyabheda mngani wami yabona manje hayi nix that's why ngithi Tapiro ngamthola sekadlala i-striker manje cause Bernard Parker yebo yena beka i-striker esikhathini sakhe vele udlalile and yena akadlale neya coach so badlali yibo labane responsibility to badlali but nje lento yenakala manje mfethu mina nje so far manje mangasinyabuka nje umuntu lengathi vele consistent ulo mfana lo uLithwenyo uLithwenyo uMahlambi right back Mbunjane Simate as defensive midfield
hayi man
Chiki Zulu right back Chiki center back kanti sodlala kanjani Zindonga nawe uyamthola ku right back nalento basibendekala le embo na kandlala nemagisi hayi bafethu mina ngisasiyodla ipithima kunje
kwendana induna yami ngikubona amahendla uzokhiphile na ubeka phasi ukwendakalani
phela mazokhipha amadlavu sho kona ukuthi ushaye
induna yami isivini sengapheli licembu
hayi so manje into sidlalele ukuthi simele sidlalele i-draw cause iwina ngesiyithola angala ama play angesiyithole wena
i-relegation inflator nayo niyadibona nelicembu lelihambako or niyasithembisa ukuthi i-relegation into survivor next season lapha eMbombela Stadium sibe nedabi lapha yeKruger United nalo licembu le-TS Galaxy ngoba licetha ukupromote licembu leKruger
i-relegation thina sikho relegation because siyathi ukuthi i-team lenga relegation between Orbit College oboMagisi so thina maybe singasodlala ama playoffs but nangabe so lose kuMarumo Gallants i-team desperate for point sidliwe iChipa United ama team lawo uma ngabu alamva kwethu even Sundowns phelile ngathi kuphelile ngathi sesiya kuma playoffs.